Pavani's golden milk is a delicious, I have to say delicious, tasty, nutrient dense Ayurvedic turmeric elixir that will provide nourishment to the body as well as the mind. What makes this golden milk so delicious is the variety and choice of herbs and spices that go into it. The ingredients of Pavani's golden milk are turmeric, cinnamon, ginger, ashwagandha, shatavari, cardamom, Indian sarsaparilla, and black pepper. So turmeric is a great anti-inflammatory herb. It's a wonderful herb to help produce an all-natural, healthy glow on the skin. And digestive herbs like black pepper, ginger, cardamom are going to help aid in healthy digestion. These herbs will also assist in circulation, warming the body up. And you can enjoy this golden milk at any point in the day because it is caffeine free. It's a great substitute if you're trying to let go of caffeine in the morning. So it's a great substitute for any black tea or coffee. But also people sometimes like to put a scoop of this golden milk into their coffee or black tea just to give it a little boost in nutritional value. So how do you use this golden milk? All you need to do is scoop 1 to 2 teaspoons of golden milk into warm milk, a warm milk of your choice. And you would just mix that together, and you could add as well ghee or coconut oil to bring some extra hydrating moisture into the body. You just mix it up. You could add a sweetener if you like, and you'd sit back and enjoy the herbal nourishment. And another thing you could do is combine warm milk with 1 to 2 teaspoons of the golden milk powder and blend it up in your blender. And you could also put ghee or coconut oil in there too, and it makes this nice frothy kind of golden milk latte that you can make for the comfort of your own home. We absolutely love our golden milk. It makes an excellent Ayurvedic evening milk to help you wind down from your day. And we hope you enjoy bringing this herbal nourishment into your life.